Good day, and welcome to Financial Booklet. I'm your host, bringing you the latest market updates and financial headlines for Saturday, January 17th, 2026. Today, we are tracking significant developments in the space industry, ongoing tensions between the White House and the Federal Reserve, and a massive movement of capital within the cryptocurrency sector. Let's dive straight into the facts. Starting with economic policy and geopolitical developments, tensions are visible in Washington. Reports indicate that former President Trump has made moves regarding the Federal Reserve, while separately, a Biden-appointed federal judge has blocked the current Trump administration's attempt to withhold food stamp funds from Minnesota. In the banking sector, the Federal Reserve Board has officially announced the approval of an application by Banco Inter, S.A., signaling continued activity in cross-border banking expansions. Meanwhile, in Europe, the EU is currently considering abandoning an accession system used since the Cold War era to potentially fast-track Ukraine's integration. Moving to the technology and industrial sectors, private capital is flowing heavily into off-world ventures. Data released this week shows that investors backed space startups with more than $55 billion over the last year, marking a significant period of capitalization for the aerospace industry. In corporate infrastructure news, Bitcoin mining firm Riot has secured a major lease agreement with semiconductor giant AMD. Following this announcement, Riot's stock saw a 13% increase. However, not all tech news is positive regarding employment. Polygon Labs has reportedly laid off 60 staff members following a recent acquisition, though the company states its overall headcount remains unchanged. In the workforce data, a new report ranks Seattle as the second most stressed and burned-out city for workers in the United States. Turning to the cryptocurrency markets, it has been a volatile week. On the payroll front, HR platform Gusto has tapped Zero Hash to accelerate global payouts using stablecoins. Additionally, Anchorage Digital, a crypto bank, is reportedly eyeing a $400 million capital raise with sights set on an eventual IPO. However, the sector continues to face security challenges. A massive social engineering attack has resulted in a single victim losing $282 million in crypto from a hardware wallet. Furthermore, cybersecurity researchers have identified that the Deadlock ransomware is now utilizing Polygon's smart contracts to evade detection. In regulatory news, Senate Democrats indicated during a call with industry leaders that they are pursuing a reboot of crypto legislation. Meanwhile, on Capitol Hill, the Clarity Act has faced delays. That wraps up your financial market update for Saturday, January 17th, 2026. From the expanding space economy to the shifting regulatory landscape in Washington and the digital asset markets, we will continue to monitor these stories as they develop. Thank you for watching Financial Booklet. If you found this report helpful, please ensure you are subscribed for our next update. Have a productive weekend.